Hi everyone, Cam is here to help again. So guys, we plan something about the series on Salesforce integration with Outlook, and as promised, it's actually a further step from the trailhead that we done at first place, multiple series. Now we're focusing on single trail, how a trail is helping us to perform an integration task, which is pretty much admin's job, support team, depending on the project size as well. Anyone can do it. Plus, focus is when a business user, business analyst, they are working on requirements and they maybe never seen this, right? And they want to see how the feature works. Also, if somebody exploring, shall I use Outlook in the business with Salesforce? Shall I don't use Outlook in the business? So what are the features can help, where to explore, how to look, how the basic functionality looks like. It's going to cover everything. So today's chapter is we're going to cover with Mac, and it's again setting on Salesforce, but then we will be utilizing Mac operating system on Outlook version. Okay, there is a slight difference between Mac Outlook and on Windows Outlook, but we will see both functionalities and we'll see how it works. Okay, so stay tuned. We're going to start doing it now, and let's have a look. I'm going straight to the Salesforce from here to show you guys how this all works. Okay, so let's have a look and let's go to the Salesforce. So if you all can see here, and let's go to tab on the Salesforce Trailhead first of all, just to see how it looks like. Hey, so right guys, so we are on the Trailhead, right? And previously we discussed one of the trail. Okay, so today I have a Salesforce open here, and I have a Microsoft article which is talk about, just focus on it, getting the add-ins. Okay, if you can see, there is a word called getting add-ins. Okay, because this is where Salesforce is going to come to us, right? And on the left hand side, I have a Salesforce integration, and this is what we have configured previously. We learned the benefits. So I'm going in Outlook integration, and this is where they were telling me the steps. Outlook integration, where to find, where is it? There are step-by-step instructions have provided by Salesforce, so we can focus on it. Okay, so I'm going on Salesforce, and let's look at it. Let's type Outlook, and there you go. Nice, short and easy. Let users access Salesforce from Outlook. So these are all the instructions. Okay, yeah, you can do enhancement, email to Salesforce, first activate your email to case. Well, that's going to be the further settings. We can do it as well. But let's just focus is, let's keep it with Outlook for today. Okay, and there are multiple options, what you can then sync more contacts and all. You can do everything, but let's just see how Outlook integrate with Salesforce. So we can go directly from here to Microsoft App Store, okay, and give users, how to give users integration. There are multiple options basically on the sheet. So guys, let me focus. I am today blindly jumping in configuration like an admin. So I am, just consider me today, this video, I am acting as an explorer like you. Yes, I have seen this integration, but maybe 1 year ago. I haven't done recently because I'm working on different projects. Okay, but I have seen this. Okay, so that's exactly we're going to do now. And let's go back, and there you go. I have to cut this. Shit. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see here, so we have a Outlook integration is enabled. Okay. And now I'm going to launch Outlook from here. So this is my Outlook app I have already installed, and make sure you all have a license to Outlook application. And these are, so this is actually a new look of Mac Outlook that I have installed here. And we also are just selected one of the email basically where you can see the random emails coming. So this is a very general Outlook that we all see in the business. Okay, no difference. Let's close this app for now. And I want to see, where is my Salesforce here? I can't see any Salesforce. These are just the general emails that we are looking at it. Okay, so now the focus is only where is the Salesforce app. Okay, so we're going to do here tools. Okay, and get add-ins. So this is the shortcut I have, right? Let's see if there is a shortcut. So, oh yeah, there is. Okay, so get add-ins. So this is another way of getting these add-ins. Guys, as I mentioned, I am acting as a Salesforce admin today. I am exploring, right, without any editing, without any changes. We are just focusing. There will be errors, so stay tuned. There will be errors because I want to show you if there is error comes, how to troubleshoot. If I don't receive errors, it's a good point, but I would love to see errors. Okay, so I'm going to download Salesforce here. Add-ins, and let's see, type Salesforce. Okay, hit enter and add in and continue. It's downloading, added, and get start. Okay, so these are all the instructions. Okay, according to this screenshot, they are saying you should get the Salesforce icon on the right hand side somewhere on Outlook. Okay, let's see if I got something, and I can't see anything. Can I? Oh yeah, there you go. It's good because I've got limited icons appearing on my Outlook right now. So here I got the Salesforce. So let's click here. Right, can you see on the right hand side? So let's move this screen on the left, basically, right? And we can stay focused on this. So here it says you can open Salesforce, okay? And so you have two options, production and sandbox. If you're working on a test environment, yeah, then you should have test mailboxes or test email address for the sandboxes. But obviously I'm utilizing at the moment, I'm utilizing the developer environment. So developer environment is directly on production. And so I will select production, login. So that's my email address. I think it's the wrong one. So let's update. .have1@gmail.com and correct the @ sign. It's just sometimes American keyboard, UK keyboard, and then enter the password. I always forget passwords, so but yeah, I do remember it this time. Enter. Okay, so what will happen is it will send a email notification to the. I must have received something here. And no reply email. Okay, that sometimes this annoys big time. That won't let you. So normally I keep my phone with me when I receive this. So let's go back. As I mentioned, you expect sometimes error messages. Okay, so this is one of the time basically when you first time activating, you might have to face this. But let's go back and enter my password again and hit login. And now I am checking the password. Okay, let's check the password. What's the password? It's actually not password, it's actually a code to activate, right? Okay, let's go. And let's see what I got. The number is 527 and 59. This is a real-time activation. Okay, verify. And there you go. So connect Outlook to your Salesforce account. So here, our focus is, keep in mind, focus is for 3 people. Number 1, admins who are configuring. Second one, people are looking for solution. Third one, people are writing requirements. Okay, so what Salesforce can achieve? what are the features available when I'm looking into Outlook, Salesforce for Outlook, and what we can do. Okay, so number one, you can see the Salesforce app is appeared on the right hand side. I logged in. Okay, I've got tasks, I've got related. Okay, so what I want to create here, this is all default at the minute. Okay, so new event, new task, new contact, new opportunity, new lead. But I can't see the case. Is this normal? Yes, it is normal because it's a default. Whatever default comes in, that's what I can see right now. But do I want to see the case as well? Yes, it will be available if I enable it, right? But right now it's not enabled. That's why I can't see. Okay. But let's see what I want to do is what is this basically? Let's see what is this Salesforce is showing us. So this is a account name, right? Because I am on this email ID, and I can see there's this email is added already in the Salesforce. Okay, do I want to go directly to this particular name that it is showing at the minute, which is obviously my name? So let's try what will happen. So I open this page. It's giving me opportunity to go directly to Salesforce from here. So let's go. Okay, let's open it. And oh, this is about your default browser as well, as I said. So these are the thing comes up. So now second blocker. So look, I was logged in on Google Chrome, but on this MacBook, I am using Google Chrome and Safari, and default app is a Safari. Okay, that's why as soon as I click, it opens Safari for me. Do you think this is a problem? Well, it is when you're rolling out or deploying Salesforce application to many users, and you have like 50 users to 200 users to 500 users, it's going to be a big problem. So in the requirements, you have to cover what browser will be default and how the user, because maybe you don't need to log in if it's already if the browser already cache your email address and passwords. Okay, so now because I am not using default browser as a Google Chrome, I have to re-enter my password. Okay, so let's do it then. So it is technically it's my fault, but again, it's good thing we know. As an admin, I will be careful next time when I do this step. I need to make sure I need to tell the business team, business analyst team, operations manager, guys, and important thing for the training team, they need to understand it. It is when I click on it, what will happen? Okay, so let's click here, and I'm sure the password is the old one. So I'm going to update the new password here. Enter this, remember me, and log in. It will send another notification because maybe I'm entering first time, but let's see. Oh, luckily we don't need another code. So I am in. So what happened is we cannot display this page because your browser blocks the domain, right? Okay, so that means I need to actually open the blockers as well now. So let's see what is he talking about. So there is some kind of blockers are causing this problem. That's why it didn't directly open, right? So let's have a look, and it must be to do with the Safari browser. It's not set up, but again, I know the problem. It took me to the classic version of Salesforce. So look here. So switch to Lightning. I can do it. So guys, this is the problem I face. I have integrated successfully without any problem. So there are two problems I face. One is the code. It didn't come directly. I have to use two different devices. Second one, I have managed to install it. Second, the browser, it took to Chrome, it took to Safari, not to Chrome. Okay, these things needs to cover into our requirements, into training document, business users. Okay, right. I get to the point where I can see what's happening now. So look at here. So this is the user, the person, basically the contact. Okay. So now let's do the next action now. So what I'm going to do is, but the thing is, it is working. I'm not saying the Salesforce is not working at the minute. It is working. Okay. So what I want to do, the real thing now. So what I want to do is so what I'm going to do, let's send an email from here. So I'm going to open a account. Let's open Gmail. And I'm going to show you something. So it's open, and let's click new. Okay, that's the new mail. And I am going to send an email to myself. So that's it, and at 1303live and .com, and I would say test for Outlook. Okay, but I'm sending this to the mailbox. Okay, and let's send the email, and here is the send button. Email gone. Now I go to Outlook. Let's go to Outlook. Let's see how long it will take to get the email. So these are the code emails. We don't need to worry about these ones. And I am waiting for the new email to come in. Sync. Yeah, there you go. So I have received a new email. So others, focus, and there is the email. Okay. So now what will happen? Let's launch the Salesforce again, and let's see what's happening to this one. Remember me. Confirmed. Okay, so look at this email. It is showing me something here. Can you see? Add to Salesforce. So if I click here, what will happen is, do you want me to create as a contact or you want me to create as a lead? Guys, do you think this is a best option? Yes. Ask any salesperson, ask any support person, ask any client relationship, ask anybody else who's using Outlook and dependent on Salesforce as well, same time. This is the best one. So I don't have this contact in my system and it's telling me already, guys, create. So this is the feature, guys. Anytime when I receive, I can create a lead, I can create a contact. Same thing happened on the case. You can even link emails. So let's try this now. Okay, so new contact. I'm going to create a new contact directly here. I'm not going to call Kamaljeet, but let's call Kamaljeet 1 and Tharu 1. And I'm going to give him a number, something. And look, magic. I can see even account names. So it's actually, this is directly coming from Salesforce, right? So I'm going to type AB. Let's see, do I have anything AB? So, okay, no, okay, BA. Anything coming with BA? Let's just click here. Right, okay, no. Okay, don't worry. The reason I'm not showing because I don't know the list of accounts, but these are my recent 2 accounts and I know I'm working with it. Let's choose this one and save it. Title is, let's say, Mr. or let's say, what's the title? Functional consultant. There you go. Okay. Save it. I have saved the account on Outlook for what? Salesforce, right? Yeah, we can give the feedback later, which is good. I've got a number of feedbacks to go. Now, let's have a look what happened. This is the account, and I have added a contact for this account as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now I want to find this guy, 1-1. Okay, it's still Cam. Let's go to the Chrome browser and I'm logged into Salesforce. Am I? Am I? No. Okay. As I said, I am directly working. It's a blind session, guys. We're going to find errors and everything. I'm keep reminding you, we are working on both. Okay. So let's see what we created. Contact. There you go. So here it is. I have this user have been created already associated with this guy. But what my focus is, I'll show you a magic here now. Let's go back one step and go to the name. I'm not going to the account, but I'm going to the name. So name have been created. Let's move this now here and look at this. I have email ID, okay? And I have the full name and I have the phone number, okay? In the related. So this is all related. And let's see what's in the email. Do I have anything? Log a call. Okay, that's all the activity. And then we have a detail. So what that means is we have attached everything. Now let's do next step. I'm going back to Outlook. Okay. So I have this email, okay, and I want to log this email. So this was email called test for Outlook. And I showed just now on the Salesforce, there is no email have been attached to this guy, right? And no, it's nothing. I know I can't see the activity, but activity is on there as well. What I'm going to do now here, I would click log email with this guy, and I'm going to see this here, this guy, and let's save it. Email related. Can you see here? Related to Salesforce. Okay. I got alert 2 places. Now let's go to here and let's quickly refresh. Let's see what happens. It's magic. Okay. So let's come back. Okay. Is this place is showing me everything? There you go. Can you see this? Can you see this? Yes. There you go. Features. So there are many features you can achieve. So try to keep minimum objects to show. My recommendation, if sales team don't need case management, don't show it to them. If support team don't need to see leads management, don't show it to them. Okay. So like, for example, I can, as a default screen, I can see opportunity, lead, contact, and all that stuff, not anything else, right? So this is it. I hope you like it, because what it is, it's actually a straightforward integration between Outlook and Salesforce, or you can call Salesforce and Outlook, and it tells you how many features and how it works and how we can handle it. So have a look this video, see how you're finding, and get back to me. But stay tuned. I will be coming for Windows. It's kind of very similar. That will be a short video because that's more on interface. That's the only difference, right? Integration is still same. We have enabled it, but I know there are more features in Salesforce like inbox, Einstein, and there are multiple things coming, how it automate and all that stuff. We'll cover a different level, but this one was, we covered the trailheads in 3 videos. Then we covered the trail, and we know that how trail can help a configuration. That configuration helped further 3 people, in the sense business analyst, admin, training, right? Plus operations as well, right? And now we're back here and we're going to focus on this, and let's do it. Okay. Thank you everyone for your time. So stay connected, keep following, keep commenting, like, subscribe, and stay in touch. Thank you everyone, guys. Stay tuned. Bye.